Welcome to Omniful, your comprehensive solution for warehouse, order, and transport management. Today, we'll guide you through our fundamental feature app configuration. App configuration refers to the settings and options that allow administrators to customize and manage various aspects of the application to suit their specific operational needs. Let's understand how app configurations work. Navigate to Settings in the navbar, then click on the App Configurations. There are 4 configurations that you can enable. First is Scan Pickup AWB Barcode. Enabling this feature allows drivers to scan package barcodes for efficient pickup processing. Second is Scan Delivery AWB Barcode. Enabling this feature allows drivers to scan AWB barcode for efficient delivery. Third is Proof of Pickup. Enabling this feature allows drivers to securely capture a picture of the pickup package as proof of collection. And last is Proof of Delivery. Enabling this feature allows drivers to securely capture a picture of the delivered package as proof of delivery. After enabling the features you want, click on Save button. With this, app configurations are applied. And there you have it, the app configuration feature in Omniful. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.